Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how we can create a footer like this. Inside this video we will learn that how to create underline animation like this, and in this column we will put our logo and paragraph. Here we will paste our office address, our menu, and a newsletter and social icons in the fourth column. So friends, video is going to be more important. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Inshallah, you will learn a lot about web designing in this video. Let's start. So friends, you can see that here I have index.html file. This is my style.css, and to the right side you will able to see the output without any delay. So first of all, I will create a basic HTML structure in my index.html, and then we have to link our CSS file with our this is HTML code. Next, first of all, we will write our complete HTML code. So I will type here footer div.container div.footer call and create a h2 heading inside this, and inside this I will type a word like logo. I will refresh this page so you can see the output. Create a p element here, and inside this I will type a dummy paragraph here like this. I will remove these two lines. Next, outside this footer column class we have to create another div with footer column class. Type here h3, and we have to give a class to this text like text office, and here I will type office. Inside this h3 element we have to create another div with class underline and create a span element inside this underline class. Next, outside this h3 element we have to create another p element, and inside this I will write a dummy address, create another paragraph and type the remaining address like your colony name, and next create another paragraph, and inside this I will type the company, city, province and its country name. Next I will type here p.email. We have to create a paragraph with class email, and inside this I will type a dummy email like finegap@gmail.com. Next I will type here p element with class phone +92. So friends, this is a dummy phone number. That's it. Next, outside this div we have to create another div with footer column class, and here I will type h3. Inside this I will type menu, and inside this we have to create another div with class underline. Basically this div and this span element will help us to create underline animation. Next I will type here unordered list, create a list item here and create an a element here inside this. Here I will type home. The second item would be about, contact us, our team, and in the last I will give a link to my user like testimonials. Next, outside this footer column class we have to create another div like footer column, and here inside this I will create an h3 element and type here newsletter. Again create or just copy this div and paste this div here. Next, outside this h3 element I will type here form. I will type here I, and I'm going to use font awesome icons in my website. To use them, open the Google and search here for font awesome CDN. Click on the first website. The website name is cdnjs.com, and from this website we have to copy this link. Copy link tag, click on this middle icon and paste this link inside your head section, and now we can use font awesome icons in our website. So I will type here class fa solid fa envelope. So you can see an envelope icon here, and next we have to create an input field and a placeholder like enter company email, and at last we have to create a link here, and inside this link we have to again paste an I element because I want to display an icon to my user here. So I will type here fa solid fa arrow right. Next, outside this form element we have to create another div with social icons class, and inside this I will create a link, and then I will type here I, and I will give a class like fa brands space fa Facebook. Then I will copy this a element and paste this element here 4 times. I will change this to Instagram, YouTube and Google Plus. So we have done with our icons and we have done with our HTML code. Now we will write our CSS code. So I will type here star, padding 0, margin 0, box sizing border box, and I will type here text decoration none. Next, from index.html, I will copy this footer element and paste this element here, and then I will type here background, linear gradient to right, and you have to write these two color codes to achieve exact gradient like me. The second color code will be like this. So you can see that by writing these two color codes, you will achieve a gradient like this. Next, I will type here border top, left radius 100 pixel, position absolute, and bottom 0. So by writing this code, you can see that our footer is exactly in the bottom position of our screen. And next, I will copy this footer element and paste this element here, and then type star color white. And then we have to copy this footer column class and paste this class here with a dot, and I will type here width 25%. And before this, we have to copy this container class inside the footer element and paste this class here and type here display flex, justify content space between. These two properties are the game changers. So you can see that our items are in a same line. And then inside this container class, I will type here padding 50 pixel and 7%. So now our footer will look like this. Next, I will copy this footer column class and paste this class here, and from our index.html, copy this h2 element and paste this element here, and then I will type font size 1.7 em, text transform uppercase, and margin bottom 20 pixel. Next, we have to copy this email class, and I will type here p dot and paste this class here, and margin 30 pixel and 0. Similarly, I will type here p dot phone, and next I will type here font size 20 pixel, font weight 400, font weight 400. So now our phone number will look like this. Guys, this is a dummy phone number. And next, we have to copy this text office class, and you can paste this class here, and before this you can also type here footer column class. It means that our this class exists in this footer column class. Margin bottom 20 pixel, so it will create a margin below this text of 20 pixel. Next, we have to create an underline animation for our these three titles. That's a little bit tricky but pretty simple. I will copy this underline class and paste this class here, and then I will type here width 7 pixel, height 100%, position absolute, left 10 pixel, background color this color code, and border radius 3 pixel. So friends, we have to change this height from 100% to 3 pixel, and its background color, first of all I will cut this and change its background color to white. Margin top 5 pixel, and change this position from absolute to relative, and add one more property, overflow hidden, and change this width from 7 pixel to 70 pixel. Next, I will type here the underline class, and from our HTML code, copy this pen element and paste this element here, and then I will type here width 7 pixel, height 100%, position absolute, left 10 pixel, and background color RGB. We have to paste this color code, but that is not copy at the moment, so I will type by myself this color code 63 3 times. Next, we have to type here border radius 3 pixel, and we have to remove this left property from the underline class, and I will type here margin bottom 20 pixel. So that's it. Next, we have to create an animation for our this underline class. To create the animation, I will type here keyframes, animation name, and here I will type the starting position of our animation, which is 0%. From left, we have to give 20 pixel of margin, and here I will type here 100%, and from left we have to give 100% of margin. So now we have to assign this animation to our this pen element. So I will type here animation, our animation name, its duration, linear, and infinite. It means that this animation will never stop and it will continue forever. Next, we have to work on these list items. So next, from our HTML code, we have to copy this footer column class and paste this class here, and I will type here UL. Basically, this unordered list exists here. Here I will type for list style, type none, and padding top 10 pixel. Next, I will copy these two words and paste these words here, and I will type here list item, and I will type margin 10 pixel, not 1 but 10 pixel. Next we have to design our this newsletter part. From index.html, first of all we have to copy this footer column class and paste this class here with a dot, and then we have to copy this form element and paste this element here without any dot. And here I will type for margin top 20 pixel, border bottom 1 pixel solid white, and padding bottom 10 pixel. And we have to type here display flex to align them in a same line. Next I will copy these two words and paste these words here, and then from index.html copy this input element and paste this element here. Here I have to type for width 70%, background transparent, border none, outline none, and padding left of 10 pixel. Next we have to style our these icons. To style them I will copy these two words footer column and form and paste these words here, and from our index.html I will copy this I element and paste this element here, and then I will type font size 15 pixel. Next we have to style our these social media icons. To do this, first of all copy this footer column class and paste this class here, and then copy this social icons class and paste this class here with a dot, and type here margin top 20 pixel, and then similarly we have to copy these both words and paste these words here, and then press I, padding 10 pixel, background color white, border radius 50%, and margin 5 pixel. And next we have to type here color, this color code. So now our icons will look like this. So friends, we have make our footer, and in the last we have to add one more property. In our footer element I will type here width 100%. So now you can see that our footer is look in a 100% width. So friends, in the last we can add one more thing to make our footer beautiful. From index.html I will give a class to this paragraph like footer para. I will copy this class and simply I will paste this class here with a dot, and I will type here maximum width 250 pixel. So friends, now it is looking better than before. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you have any question you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your those friends who want to learn web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.